Welcome to Oreletprint. Today I will be showing you step by step how to create a gang sheet using our website. Once you're here on our homepage, as you can see, we have the DTF Transfer Gang Sheet tab, and we also have the Ultra DTF Custom Transfer tab. These two tabs here will allow you to create gang sheets up to 22 inches by 120. Today I will be showing you how to create it on a regular DTF Transfer Gang Sheet. So once you have selected the DTF Gang Sheet, if you scroll down here, you can see that we have preset sizes from 22 by 12 up to 22 by 180. Our website will only allow you to create a gang sheet 22 by 120, and that is on both DTF and also UV transfers. If you do need a gang sheet that is larger than 22 by 120, for example, if you need a 22 by 180, you will have to select two gang sheets, and one will be 22 by 120 and the next one would be a 22 by 160, so that it will amount the same for 22 by 180. Today we're just going to create a small gang sheet. I will click on a 22 by 36. Once you have selected your size, you will just select here where it says build your custom 22 by 36 transfer gang sheet. Once you have selected that, it'll redirect you to a new page. Right here, it'll allow you to view a small trailer, how to build your transfer. We will just exit this out because I will be showing you myself today how to create that. Here, as you can see, we have a gang sheet that is already preset for 22 inches in the width and 36 in the height. Here's you will upload your files. Once you select here, you will be able to see all your images that you're able to upload on your gang sheet. I'm just gonna select a few for the moment. Just gonna upload here. And we'll select one more image. Just so we can have a few on here. Once you see that your images are uploaded here, you can just select the image and it'll automatically add onto your graph. As you can see, it is showing that my image is 9.9 by 8.72. So if you do need a larger size, all you would do is just drag your image out 10, and we can do 10 by 9. If you do see this triangle, all you have to do is select outside of the image, select on the triangle. As you can see, it is giving us a warning for a lower resolution. The minimum is recommended 250 on here. We currently have a 226. If you exit that out and you zoom in to the image, we'll zoom into the graph, and you see that there's no pixels or anything, you will see no blurriness once your gang sheet is printed out. Also, another thing, if you see that your image has any white background, please make sure to remove any white backgrounds. Otherwise, just make sure to trim any transparent background. So that'll automatically just remove any white background that's on the image. So once you have selected removing transparent space, you would just drag your image to the top of the graph and you will just select that. Here, you can also duplicate your image. Today, I will only be needing 3 of these other images, so we can just select autofill. So once we have selected autofill, once we selected autofill, you see that we have here how many we need. I just only need 3, so I'm gonna put 2, and I'm gonna duplicate this image. As you can see, it duplicates this image 3 times, same size. So once I see that my images are portioned well, I'm gonna go ahead and move on with my next image. So you will select on the graphics tab, and that'll allow you to see all your other images that you have uploaded here as well. I'm gonna upload my second image here, and I'm gonna drag this down. This one is measuring 4.71 by 3.74. So we're gonna make this a little bit bigger, and we're gonna do this 6 by 5. So once we have selected that here, we'll go ahead and autofill this image, and I'm gonna need this image 6 more times, so I will autofill this one 6 more times. And as you can see, it is overlapping, so we are just gonna drag these images underneath our other. Apologize for that. So all we will do is just drag each image side by side. Also, another way you can fit images in here is if you rotate them 90-degree angle, you can see that it also fits as well. So if you drag this one along here, and you can also drag this one and rotate along here. This image is a little crooked, so we'll fix this one. Also, you can select this tab here where it says position. Once you have selected this tab, it'll give you options to align it to the page. So here we will align it to the right, and as you can see, it'll align it perfectly onto the page. And you can do that for any other image as well. So here we are just going to drag the image and locate it side by side. Okay, so once we have selected those images, we'll move on to our next image. Gonna add our Christmas vibe. This one is currently 10 by 6. We'll go ahead and leave this one, and we'll rotate this image so we can have more space. And I'll just drag this one. I'll position this one and align it to the left of the page. Same thing, I'll go ahead and duplicate this image, and this one we will rotate this way at a 90-degree angle. We will drag this down, and same thing, we can position, align it to the left and to the bottom, as close as possible to the page without going any further. So once we are here, we're done with that, we will just go to graphics, and this one we can just kind of position it just a little bit more to the top of the image so we are not overlapping. And we have room for one more image. This one is showing 11 by 8, and we'll go ahead and just create this one at a 7 by 5, and we'll go ahead and duplicate this image, and we can drag it, rotate it, and make sure that it is not overlapping any other image. The best way to check if it is not overlapping any other image is to position it the best way that you think it is possible, and then you would just zoom in. Once you zoom in, if you see that it is not overlapping any other image, then you are fine. You're okay to go, you're good to go. And you will just zoom back out at a 90%, drag down, and as you can see, you have created your gang sheet. This is a 22 by 36. And once you are done creating your gang sheet and you're okay with your images, you can just go ahead and confirm. Once you have selected confirm, you can proceed despite the errors, because as you see, the resolution even is low, but even though it is low, you have zoomed in on your images, it will not come out blurry. If it's not pixelated, it will not come out blurry. Please make sure to zoom in on your graph if you are getting any warning signs for low resolution. So we will proceed despite the errors. We're going to confirm the design with the errors. And again, if you do need a new design, you would just select here, add new design. If you want to get another size of another gang sheet, you would just confirm this one, select another size, and do the same thing, same process. And then once you're done with that, you will just confirm your designs. It'll redirect you here, and then it'll give you a small preview of your gang sheet. Here, you'll just put your name. We're going to just put it Joe. Joe, 1, 2, 3. I apologize for that. So once you have selected this, you'll go ahead and select this box right here where it is submitting your files. You're just verifying that everything it is correct, your name, email address, so that if we do have any issues, we can just get in contact with you. Once you have selected this, you would just proceed and confirm your images. Once you are to this page, you can just redirect now. So as you can see, you have created your 22 by 36 gang sheet. Once you're here, you would just select to check out however you want to proceed. You would just do Shop Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, however you feel more comfortable. If you do need any to leave any notes, this is where you would leave your notes right here where it says order special instructions. Here you would just say, hello, please verify my file. If you have any questions or anything, you would just type in any type of notes here. If not, you would just leave this blank, and then you would proceed with checkout. Once you have selected proceed with checkout, it'll take you to this page, and here you would just type in your contact information, phone number, whether you're shipping or picking up, and then here you'll just type in your information. Same thing, scroll down, you type in your card information, and if you want to select the PayPal, Shop Pay, however you are checking out. Once that is done, you will just select Pay Now, and then that will complete your order for your gang sheet. If you do have any questions, please feel free to contact us at our main page. You would just go to the home page and you scroll down, and this is our contact information here. Hopefully this video was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.